Nestled in the heart of Kent, England, Lullingstone Castle stands as a testament to centuries of history, from its medieval origins to its remarkable gardens and timeless architecture. But the story of Lullingstone goes far beyond just a beautiful house. It's a journey through time, power, and the enduring legacy of one family. Let's step back in time and explore the fascinating history of Lullingstone Castle and its surrounding estate. Our story begins over 1,000 years ago, shortly after the Norman conquest of England in 1066. In the aftermath of this monumental event, the land we now know as Lullingstone was granted to a Norman knight, Sir John de Lullingstone. It was during this time that the first structures were erected, possibly as a fortified manor house, marking the beginnings of what would become Lullingstone Castle. By the 14th century, Lullingstone Castle had evolved into a moated manor house, surrounded by a defensive ditch, a common feature of the era. The de Lullingstone family held on to the estate for generations, witnessing the rise and fall of kings and the turbulence of the medieval world. The Black Death of 1347 had a profound impact on the estate, as it did across much of England. But Lullingstone would ultimately survive and prosper. As we move into the 16th century, Lullingstone begins to take on a new identity. With the rise of the Tudor era, the estate became a more refined residence, no longer the fortress it once was. It was during this period that the Hart-Dyke family became associated with Lullingstone, and they would play a pivotal role in its future. The Hart-Dyke family, who would come to dominate the history of the estate, took ownership in the 1600s. Under their stewardship, the house began to evolve into a grand country residence. But it was not just the architecture that was transformed. The family also turned their attention to the grounds surrounding the estate, developing what would later become one of the most famous gardens in England. During the 18th century, Sir Thomas Dyke Ackland, a key figure in the estate's development, made significant contributions to the gardens. The Lullingstone grounds became renowned for their beauty and landscaping, a tradition that would continue for generations to come. The family's commitment to horticulture would lay the groundwork for Lullingstone's status as not only a historic landmark, but also a hub of botanical innovation. As history unfolded, Lullingstone Castle played an unexpected role during World War II. The estate was requisitioned for military use, and the castle's rooms were repurposed for wartime efforts. The family, however, preserved its heritage, ensuring that the estate would be passed down through the generations. Today, Lullingstone Castle remains a living piece of history, with its world garden being one of its most remarkable features. This garden, created by the current Hartdike family, is home to plants from all over the world, making it one of the largest international plant collections in the UK. Visitors can experience the beauty of these gardens, stroll through centuries of history, and marvel at the stunning views that have captivated people for over 1,000 years. From its origins as a medieval fortress to its place as one of England's most celebrated estates, Lullingstone Castle's history is a rich tapestry woven with stories of power, resilience, and beauty. It's a place where the past and present meet, offering a glimpse into England's remarkable heritage.